You can see the effect. Yes. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have seen many content creators related to skin and tips, DIY remedies. They are using rice face mask. So I am also decided to try that. Let's try that. And first, let's see how to prepare that. First, you take a clean bowl. For that, add a spoon of rice powder. I am using little more so that I can give to my mother too. Then this is a pure honey. So 1 spoon honey. So it will moisturize your skin. Honey. And to mix this all, I am using here milk, raw milk. Mix it well until it turns into a smooth paste. See the texture. Now let's try it on our face. See, now the face pack is ready. Before that, clean your face with regular face wash. Two benefits: 5 minutes scrub and 15 minutes pack. Apply a even and thick layer all over your face and neck. In this, we have added milk and honey. So don't worry, those who have dry skin, they also can use this face mask. Now, after applying, you're just using your fingers gently scrub your face like exfoliation. To your neck also. After exfoliation, leave this nearly 10 to 15 minutes. You should leave this to get it completely dry, and 70% you should leave it to dry. More than that, don't leave it, it will become very hard. So let's wait. See, now it is not completely 70%, it is dried. Neck area also, it is dried. Now we'll wash it. Wow, can you see the results? First use only we can see the result. In every video I'll tell, we cannot change the skin tone, but we can change its quality. We can work on it. As you can observe my face, I don't have any pimple marks. See, 1 or 2 marks I have, that is also rarely it is fading. Why? Because of these face packs. But earlier, when I was using this face mask and all, I was expecting that, yeah, my skin tone will change like that. But now I have realized we cannot change the skin tone, but we can work on its quality. So nicely wash it. Don't be too hard on your skin. See, now also you have that small particles of the rice flour. Okay. Now neatly once again you wash it with normal water. I'll wash and come. So see, after washing, see my face is like this. You can see the difference. Yes, it works. If you use this one weekly 2 to 3 times, it may give you a best result. Now you just apply a moisturizer. As you know, I am using my favorite Lakme Peach Milk moisturizer. Apply all over your face and to your neck. And if you are stepping out, then don't forget to use sunscreen. Usually I use in the evening or at night these face masks. So I will use moisturizer. And for the best result, after this you can give a massage to your face using coconut oil. Just lift your face, hand also you can use that lifting massage. See, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.